I just want to go over a dilemma that I would like to discuss with you guys, and maybe you'll learn some from what I want to say. First, I want to say that I bought these newer mics from Amazon, dirt cheap, like $2, Lavalier, and they got good reviews. I cannot get them to work. I could not get them to work in devices where I just plug them in, and I tried it with my Zoom H5 and with phantom power. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So tell me what these things do. I'd appreciate that. That's the side issue. Right now, I've got my output on a phono plug like this going into the camera, and I was trying to set up a shoot for some better sound. And what you're listening to is 2 lavaliers. I have a Movo. This looks just like my son's Audio Technica, which I use. I didn't seem to have any problem with it. I didn't seem to have any problems with any of these until tonight. And the dilemma is the 60 cycle hum. This one here is a Pyle Pro. It takes the 1.5 AAA AA battery, and I had just got this not too long ago, and I just bought this recently, the Boya BY-M1. That's here, and again, it looks like the same as the Movo, and it looks like the Audio Technica. This comes with a small plug, an adapter that'll fit into the Zoom. This one's the same way. The Pyle Pro, however, comes with a 1/4-inch plug, and it comes with an adapter so it'll go down to an 1/8-inch plug. My main problem was the 60 cycle hum, and it was driving me crazy trying to do a recording of myself. And it's all incandescent lights. There's a complex fluorescent light about 10 feet away. It's all incandescent lights. But I did have the computer on because it's a Canon camera, and I had the software in there, and I was okay. Now, just by me touching this, you get a tremendous 60 cycle hum. And I'm noticing that with the Movo. And if I come on, and now I'm also on the Pyle Pro. All right, you can hear a little bit. I'm gonna go off on 2. All right, there's a 60 cycle hum. Now I'm gonna plug in this computer. All right, and all I did was plug in the power supply. Okay, and I'm on one, which is the Pyle Pro. Now I'm on the Movo, and believe me, it gets worse when the computer's on. And the computer is just plugged in. I'm sure that there's probably some circuits going on there that are allowing the battery to charge and things like that. But this computer, you know, it's about 2.5 feet from there. The screen's about 3 feet away. That's that one. Okay, we're gonna come on with the Boya. Yeah, I'm going to turn the computer on, and it's starting to boot up. All right, that's it. This is the, and we're having a bad connection. Well, jiggle the wire. Okay, that's not too bad. I don't know. They were all bad before. Okay. All right. So, Now, this is with the condenser mic on top, or dynamic mic, whatever, on top. And well, let's wrap this up. I keep running out of chip CD space. With the computer nearby and this two-prong power supply in the computer, I get a 60 cycle hum, and what used to be all the lavaliers, but it turns out particularly this Movo was the worst culprit. Didn't have any problem using the normal built-in mic. I got no 60 cycle hum with it. With the computer on, but not hooked into the power supply, it turns out I didn't have any 60 cycle hum with that, so it was only due to the power supply. So I don't know what the answer is. Perhaps you can't use $15 and $25 lavaliers and perhaps get good results. You might have to go to the $75 and $125 lavaliers. I don't know. I'm going to think about that, but I'd appreciate some input from you guys. So if you got any thoughts, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.